Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. I also love Tiffani Thiessen and her new book, Pull Up a Chair.
Oh, Kat, you mean this right here? I'll leave it right here for you.
Hi, Tiffani.
Hi.
Bye, Tiffani.
Bye.
I'm making avocado brownies from Tiffani's book. I love only 4 things in life: avocados, books, Instant Pot, and Tiffani Thiessen.
I think you need that.
Thanks, Tiffani. I can't make these brownies like Tiffani makes them because my body rejects flour. But my body does not reject brownies, so we're going to make them with almond flour and banana flour. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to add an avocado. Thanks, Tiffani. We have this sacred avocado bestowed upon us by Tiffani. We're going to open it. And hopefully I will not slice my hand open. Give myself avocado hand. That's the worst kind of hand to have. It's often a pitfall for a lot of people, and they slice open their mortal flesh. We're having none of that today. No blood will be spilled today, Tiffani. I promise you that. Just mash this little bit over here. I'm going to use my hands to mash it. Nobody tell Tiffani. It's time to mix together the dry ingredients. We've got brown sugar, almond flour for my broken stomach, banana flour for my broken soul, white sugar, because sugar, cocoa powder, Instant Pot. What do you think of Tiffani? I know. There we go. Delicious powder. We're going to mix all the sloppy things together now. Eggs. Ordinarily, you would do this in a stand mixer, but Instant Pot and stand mixer are in a fight, and I've been told not to ask any questions, so we're just going to use hand mixer today. Tried asking questions once. Butter. Soft, squishy butter. Sugar. This would be much easier with stand mixer. Can't you guys work it out? Fine, I won't ask anymore. I almost forgot. Cayenne pepper in the dry things for spice. Do tell Tiffani. Instant Pot, do you like chocolate? That's sort of snotty of you. And vanilla, which I'm told goes for $10,000 a bottle. For you, Tiffani, you're worth it. Salt. In my excitement, I almost became a monster and didn't put salt in the recipe, but we got it in time. Just a tiny, tiny bit of baking powder so it can rise above and be free. Just whisking this in. Start out whisking, then we'll pull out the tools. There's less fat in here than there would usually be because of the avocado. Avocados can do everything except for save me. It's all brownie in here. Hi, Mixer, how's your day going? That's so nice. You can help me with the brownie batter? We'll start slow. Break up all those avocado chunks, and then go mad with power. We're gonna steam these in Instant Pot. Instant Pot decided that. That's fine. We've got a little cauldron for our brownies. We have to lubricate the brownie pan or it'll get weird. We've got a little cauldron of brownie batter now. Going to go into Instant Pot, sit there for a little while. Now we just need to seal the Instant Pot. It's brownie time. Got a cauldron of avocado-y brownies. Tiffani, your brownies taste delicious. I wouldn't make them in an Instant Pot. I'd make them in an oven and follow all of your instructions. But even though I screwed up some of your instructions, they're still tasty. Thank you, Instant Pot. Thank you, books. Thank you, avocados. Thank you, universe, for giving us Tiffani and her delicious avocado brownies.